Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have an airport from Speed Track. This has a playmat with it and it comes with a couple vehicles. In this set you can also collect other ones, construction, city, mall. This is going to be a lot of fun. Let's check out this one now. Wow, this is bigger than I expected. Check out, we have the air terminal with the planes waiting to go. We have a fire station. We have the runway with the plane taking off. We have roads for the cars. Wow, this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's see what vehicles we have. We have Airport Patrol. He has a little airplane on his hood. We also have a helicopter. Wow, he's there for any emergency there may be. It's a busy day today at the airport. Airplanes waiting to take off. Oh, here comes one landing right now. Oh, look, it's Dusty. How fun. He's going to taxi right in. Oh, look, it's Skye. She's coming into the airport too. Oh, it looks like Dusty's ready to take off again. Oh, wow, that was unexpected. Look, it's Toothless and Hiccup. They're landing at the airport. That's kind of silly. Toothless, what are you doing at the airport? Oh, Hiccup, y'all are silly. I think you should go back to How to Train Your Dragons. Let's go, Toothless. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.